Good day to each and everyone, to Dr. Daryl Roy T. Montebon, Director of PNU-ITL, to Professor Dana A. Canoy, ECE Supervisor, Advisor of Kinder, and most especially to my former teachers, Ma'am Buhain, Ma'am Bronyo, Ma'am Palmeri, and to all my teachers who inspired me to be an educator. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It feels so great to be here, speaking in front of all of you. It is a rare opportunity and an honor to be chosen as someone to inspire our completers for today. Whoever I am now and who I will be in the future, I owe it all to this institution. Philippine Normal University, the National Center for Teacher Education, Institute of Teaching and Learning. Maraming salamat aming inang pamantasan. But this day is not about me. It is about you kids, your parents, your family who help you, as well as your teachers. Today is a perfect day to rejoice, to celebrate, and to be thankful to the Lord. Because in spite of our situation in the middle of this pandemic, I am proud to say that we all made it. The theme for this moving up ceremony is strengthening the quality of education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Truly, a timely theme. Because COVID-19 pandemic changed a lot of us in different ways. Even brought massive changes in the economic, social, and all the aspects of humanity. One of the affected areas is the education system, not just in our country, but all over the world. I still remember how it breaks my heart, knowing that there will be no face-to-face learning modality. Kids will only learn in their homes and will experience a new setup in our education system. Because I am not just a teacher, but I am also a mother. I have a 6-year-old daughter at that time, and as a teacher, I know how vital, how important it is for a child to experience the face-to-face learning. Interaction with your classmates and teachers can develop a whole new you. There will always be no replacement for a face-to-face learning modality. But the one that is breaking my heart is also the one that keeps it beating. It is the one that keeps me going. Because in these challenges, in these changes, we face it, we conquered it, and we never give up. Together, we positively survive. Congratulations to all of us. Hello to our dear parents. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I bet you're all beaming with pride and happiness. Yes, you're one of the factors that made this new normal in education possible. Thank you for your help, for your kids. Thank you for teaching them. Thank you for your never-ending encouragement. I know it is never easy to juggle between being a parent who is working and at the same time assisting our kids in their online schooling, in their written works, and all the things that they need in their studies. But you parents, we parents are doing it because we love our kids. There's nothing we cannot offer nor do for them because we love them more precious than ourselves. Thank you for instilling to them the importance of education. But it doesn't stop here. Your kids are about to embark another chapter of their life next school year. This is the pace where we need to step up in guiding our kids together with their teachers in building a stronger foundation for them. Let me share to you 3 important points that I learned when I guided my 6-year-old daughter during her online schooling. The first one is spend time with them. I know it's easier said than done, knowing how busy your schedule is, but you really need to find the precious moments for them. Keep in mind that quality is stronger than quantity. You don't need to allocate 2 to 3 hours. An hour will do as long as you make an impactful coaching. Alam ko po na kayang-kaya po natin ito. And second one, have an open communication line with their teachers. Always know the importance of catching up. Do not hesitate to inquire what your kids miss and what they need to improve on. And number 3, trust your children and slowly teach your kids to be independent. There are times when all we wanted for them is to follow what we want them to do, right? But sometimes, allowing them to decide will surprise you. You'll be awed by how independent they can be and how creative their ideas are. Let them explore. Let them learn from their mistakes. Just observe them. Let them be. It is never easy to do all our responsibilities. Never was it easy to be a parent, not at all. But what is important is we are trying our best every single day for our kids, for our family. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Kids, I know you are beside your mom or dad or any member of your family who help you to study and be a great kid. Please hug them and say, "Thank you and I love you po, mommy or daddy, lolo or lola, ate or kuya." A virtual clap for our dear parents and guardians. To your teachers, I salute each and every one of you. I feel you. I know how everything is so new to us. There were so many questions. There were so many words that is troubling us. But what we did is incredible, remarkable, and admirable. As teachers, we never ever say no, especially when it comes to educating our kids. Yes, the pandemic keeps on giving us a hard time in teaching, but passionate teachers will always find a way. No calamity or pandemic can stop us from what we are doing best. The pandemic can change the platform in teaching as well as the modalities of learning, but it can never change the passion of a teacher. To impart knowledge, to mold their kids in the best version of themselves. Just keep on doing what we started. We can never go wrong because our goal is always for the betterment of the kids. Let us give a heart sign to your teachers, kids, and say, "Thank you, teachers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa amin." And of course, to the stars of today, to you, boys and girls, hello kids! Kamusta kayong lahat? How are you all feeling? Thumbs up if you are happy and excited like me. I want to say, great job. You did an amazing job. Your parents and your teachers are your #1 fans. Please include me too. You may be little, but you will be the future of our nation. Your great minds will be our future doctors, President of the Philippines, teachers, nurses, inventors, engineers, architects, lawyers, or even astronauts. Let me ask you kids, who is your favorite cartoon character? Okay, wow! You sure know how to choose. Let me share to you my daughter's favorite characters. If you're familiar with the Disney Junior show, Gigantosaurus, there's this dinosaur named Rocky and I learned to love him too. Because Rocky reminds me of being a kid, a brave one. When there are times that he is making mistakes, he just keeps going, keep on trying to do things right. Always happy and positive. And that's how we all like it to be. My daughter also loves Anna. I wonder why not Elsa, but she told me she likes Anna because she's different, smart, strong, and funny. Those cartoon characters and all the cartoon characters we all loved have one thing in common. They all showed us how to be the best version of themselves. They're all great in their own way. The most common characteristics they all have is being smart, brave, and kind. You can also be great in your own way. Listen to me kids as I say the Mrs. Atienza's top 3 tips to be a great kid. First, never stop learning, dreaming, and discovering. But while you're learning new things, do not forget to be kind and respectful, not just to the elders, but mostly to everyone you meet. Second, follow and listen to your parents and your teachers. They only want the best for you. They are your gateway to your dreams. They will always be behind you. And third one, please do not give up easily. If you fall, stand tall again and be brave to face the world. Allow yourselves to believe in the Lord, because praying, hard work, and passion can get you through a lot of success. Your little hands will soon be the hands that will build our nation to greatness. Once again, congratulations, Philippine Normal University, the National Center for Teacher Education, Institute of Teaching and Learning, Kindergarten Batch 2020-2021. Make all of us proud. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.